From the towering peaks of the Rockies to the sun-kissed beaches of the Caribbean, the United States is a land of breathtaking natural beauty. Today, we're taking you on a visual journey through some of the most awe-inspiring places this incredible country has to offer. Get ready to explore 15 of the most beautiful spots in the USA. From rugged coastlines to serene deserts, lush forests to snow-capped mountains, we've got something for every nature lover. So grab your passport, or just your daydream passport, and let's embark on this adventure together. 15. Maroon Bells, Colorado. Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, the Maroon Bells are an iconic duo of peaks renowned for their stunning beauty. Adorned with vibrant aspen trees in autumn, they create a breathtaking spectacle that has captivated photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. Hike through alpine meadows, cast a line in crystal-clear waters, or simply relax and soak in the grandeur of this alpine paradise. For the ultimate experience, visit in autumn to witness the dazzling fall foliage, or during the summer for hiking and outdoor adventures. 14. Antelope Canyon, Arizona. Carved by centuries of wind and water, Antelope Canyon is a mesmerizing natural masterpiece. Its sandstone walls, sculpted into flowing curves and intricate patterns, are a testament to nature's artistry. Beams of sunlight filtering through the narrow canyon create a magical, ethereal atmosphere. Guided tours are essential to explore this delicate ecosystem safely and responsibly. To experience the canyon's beauty without the summer crowds, plan your visit during the milder months of spring or fall. 13. Kenai Fjords, Alaska. A paradise for nature enthusiasts, Kenai Fjords National Park is a pristine wilderness of towering glaciers, deep fjords, and abundant wildlife. Explore this icy wonderland by kayak, boat, or hiking trail, immersing yourself in Alaska's raw beauty. Keep an eye out for whales breaching the waves, bears roaming the shoreline, and majestic eagles soaring overhead. For optimal weather and longer days to fully appreciate this incredible landscape, plan your visit during the summer months. 12. Sequoia National Park, California. Sequoia National Park is a realm of giants, home to the world's largest trees, including the iconic General Sherman. Wander through ancient groves where sunlight filters through a canopy of towering redwoods, hike to breathtaking viewpoints for panoramic vistas, and experience the serene tranquility of this natural cathedral. For optimal conditions and fewer crowds, plan your visit during the spring or fall when the weather is pleasant. 11. Na Pali Coast, Hawaii. The Na Pali Coast is a breathtaking masterpiece of nature, boasting towering sea cliffs, lush hidden valleys, and pristine beaches. This rugged coastline offers an array of exploration options. Cruise along its dramatic shores by boat, experience a bird's-eye view with a helicopter tour. For those seeking underwater thrills, snorkeling and kayaking provide opportunities to discover the vibrant marine life. To optimize your experience with calmer waters and pleasant weather, plan your visit during the summer months. 10. Florida Keys, Florida. The Florida Keys are a tropical paradise offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Immerse yourself in the vibrant underwater world with world-class diving and snorkeling, explore the lush mangrove forest teeming with wildlife, or simply unwind on pristine beaches. For ideal weather and a more tranquil atmosphere, plan your visit during the winter months when the crowds are smaller. 9. Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. The Smoky Mountains are a hiker's paradise, with endless trails winding through lush, mist-covered forests. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading through emerald pools, encounter diverse wildlife like black bears and elk, and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of the Appalachian Mountains. For an unforgettable experience, visit in autumn when the mountains are ablaze with vibrant fall foliage. 8. Joshua Tree, California. Joshua Tree National Park is a surreal desert landscape, home to the iconic Joshua trees and sculpted rock formations. Hike through hidden canyons, spot elusive wildlife like desert tortoises, and experience the magic of stargazing under inky black skies. For the best conditions, visit in spring or fall to avoid the desert heat. 7. Cannon Beach, Oregon. Cannon Beach is a Pacific Northwest gem renowned for its iconic Haystack Rock, a towering monolith that stands as a sentinel against the dramatic coastline. Explore the vibrant tide pools teeming with marine life. Keep a watchful eye for playful whales breaching the waves, or simply relax and soak up the sun on the expansive sandy beach. For optimal weather conditions and a more serene atmosphere, plan your visit during the spring or summer months when the region enjoys milder temperatures and fewer crowds. 6. Apostle Islands National Lakeshore, Wisconsin. Discover the enchantment of Apostle Islands National Lakeshore, a hidden gem nestled along the pristine shores of Lake Superior. Kayak through mesmerizing sea caves adorned with intricate rock formations. Embark on invigorating hikes to breathtaking clifftop vistas, and explore the historic lighthouses that stand as guardians of the shoreline. For an unforgettable experience, visit during the summer months to fully immerse yourself in kayaking adventures and island exploration. 5. Grand Tetons, Wyoming. The Grand Tetons are a majestic mountain range that rises dramatically from the valley floor, offering breathtaking panoramas at every turn. Hike to pristine alpine lakes nestled amid snow-capped peaks. Embark on wildlife watching adventures to spot elk, bison, or even bears. Or simply relax and soak in the stunning scenery. For optimal hiking conditions and the best chance to encounter wildlife, plan your visit during the vibrant summer months when the park comes alive. 4. Acadia National Park, Maine. Acadia National Park is a coastal wonderland offering a perfect blend of outdoor adventure and coastal charm. Hike to breathtaking summits like Cadillac Mountain for panoramic ocean views. Explore the charming coastal towns of Bar Harbor and Southwest Harbor, and indulge in the quintessential Maine experience with fresh lobster. While the park is beautiful year-round, autumn transforms the landscape into a breathtaking palette of colors, making it the ideal time to visit. 3. Bluebonnets, Texas. Texas transforms into a breathtaking canvas in springtime, as rolling hills become awash with vibrant bluebonnets. Embark on a scenic drive through this natural masterpiece, capturing unforgettable photos of the endless bluebonnet fields. Immerse yourself in the charm of rural Texas, where friendly locals and historic towns add to the allure. For the ultimate bluebonnet experience, plan your visit in April when the wildflowers reach their peak bloom, creating a truly magical landscape. 2. Glacier Point, Yosemite, California. Glacier Point offers one of the most iconic and breathtaking panoramas in America. Perched high above Yosemite Valley, this vantage point provides unparalleled views of Half Dome, Yosemite Falls, and the surrounding granite cliffs. Capture the majesty of these natural wonders with your camera, or simply soak in the awe-inspiring scenery. For a more serene experience and pleasant weather conditions, consider visiting Glacier Point during the spring or fall when crowds are smaller. 1. Angel Oak, South Carolina. A living legend, the Angel Oak is a breathtaking testament to the enduring power of nature. This ancient oak tree, draped in Spanish moss, stands as a majestic symbol of the South and a must-see for any visitor to Charleston. Its sprawling branches and twisted roots create a mystical atmosphere, making it a truly unforgettable experience. While the Angel Oak can be visited year-round, the mild temperatures of spring and fall offer the most pleasant conditions for exploring this natural wonder. From the towering peaks of the Rockies to the sun-kissed beaches of Florida, the United States is a treasure trove of natural beauty. We've explored majestic mountains, pristine coastlines, vibrant deserts, and lush forests. But this is just a glimpse into the incredible diversity this country offers. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the beauty of America. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just dreaming of your next adventure, there's a perfect destination waiting for you. Have you been to any of these places? What's your favorite spot in the USA? Share your experiences in the comments below.